When it comes to updating your Orange Park home, few upgrades deliver as much value as eco-friendly window replacements. With Florida's warm climate and frequent sunshine, homeowners benefit from windows that balance energy efficiency, comfort, and style. Choosing the right window style can lower energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and add long-term value to your property. Let's explore the best eco-window styles that combine sustainability with aesthetic appeal for Orange Park homes. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a timeless favorite in Orange Park neighborhoods. Both the upper and lower sashes can slide open, allowing for excellent ventilation. From an eco-friendly standpoint, modern double-hung windows come with insulated frames and low emissivity, low-E, glass, which reflects heat while letting in natural light. This makes them ideal for reducing cooling costs in the hot Florida climate. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door. This design allows them to catch breezes and direct airflow into the home, reducing reliance on air conditioning. Because they close tightly with a compression seal, casement windows are among the most energy-efficient styles available. For Orange Park homeowners, they're perfect for rooms that need maximum ventilation and natural cooling. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are practical, easy to use, and excellent for maximizing outdoor views. Their wide glass panels allow plenty of natural light, which can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Many eco-friendly sliding windows feature double or triple pane glass with gas fills that improve insulation. This makes them an attractive option for sustainable living in Florida's sunny environment. Awning windows. Awning windows, hinged at the top, open outward to allow ventilation even during light rain. Their tight seal when closed makes them highly energy efficient, while their ability to provide airflow without letting in moisture is ideal for Florida's unpredictable weather. They're often paired with larger stationary windows to add both style and function to eco-friendly homes in Orange Park. Picture windows. Picture windows don't open, but they offer expansive views and let in abundant natural light. Their fixed design makes them exceptionally energy efficient, as there are no gaps for air leakage. When combined with low-E coatings and insulated glass, picture windows help keep Orange Park homes cooler while maintaining a modern, open look. Pair them with operable windows like casement or awning styles for the best mix of efficiency and ventilation. Bay and bow windows. For homeowners looking to make a design statement while boosting energy performance, bay and bow windows are excellent choices. These multi-panel windows project outward, creating extra interior space and capturing sunlight from multiple angles. With energy-efficient glass, they enhance natural lighting and reduce energy consumption. In Orange Park, they're perfect for brightening living rooms and expanding views of outdoor spaces. Energy-efficient upgrades to consider. No matter which window style you choose, certain upgrades can make your replacement project even greener. Low-E glass minimizes heat transfer while maximizing natural light. Double or triple glazing adds insulation and reduces noise. Argon or krypton gas fills improves thermal performance between glass panes. Sustainably sourced frames. Materials like recycled vinyl or responsibly harvested wood add eco-value. Final thoughts. Eco-window replacement in Orange Park homes is about more than just aesthetics. It's a smart investment in energy savings, comfort, and sustainability. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows, the sleek functionality of sliders, or the dramatic impact of bay and bow windows, there's an eco-friendly style to suit every home. By pairing the right design with modern energy-efficient features, you'll enjoy a cooler, brighter, and more sustainable living space for years to come.